A closer look at Georgia state law and a renewed federal push against illegal immigration provides a clearer picture of what happened to a 19-year-old student from Dalton. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Chapman-Whitfield.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Police say they arrested Jimena Arias Cristobal during a traffic stop because she did not have a driver's license. The Whitfield County Sheriff's Office took control of the teen and discovered she was not in the country legally, a fact admitted by Arias Cristobal's mother to us.
Now, the Sheriff's Office gave custody of the teenager to Immigration and Customs Enforcement per their agreement with the Department of Homeland Security. Authorities say Arias Cristobal was then taken to a detention center near Columbus, Georgia.
News Channel 9's Mary Beth Mangrum has covered this story since she first spoke with the family. She joins us now to explain where federal and state policies overlap. Mary Beth.
Josh, Kim, in August of 2008, the state of Georgia made changes to driving penalties and adjusted standards for receiving a driver's license. The attorney representing Arias Cristobal told us those changes are what led to her and her father's arrests.
She was handcuffed and taken away to Whitfield County Jail because she did not have a valid U.S. driver's license. She didn't have a valid U.S. driver's license because she was brought to the country when she was 4 years old in 2010 and grew up here.
In 2008, 2 years before Arias Cristobal and her parents came to the United States from Mexico City, the state of Georgia made changes to driving laws. In this letter from the state attorney general, it states that driving without a license was previously a misdemeanor traffic offense.
She had an international license and they couldn't accept it, so they arrested her.
This change made driving without a license a fingerprintable offense, meaning an arrest would be made. This arrest report says Arias Cristobal was pulled over after an improper right turn at this intersection by Dalton police. The report says she did not have her international license at the time, but told officers about it. Thursday, we asked her attorney if that international license allowed her to drive legally.
If you have a foreign driver's license or you don't have a foreign driver's license, you can just apply for international license. It's meaningless under the law of Georgia or the law of Tennessee.
My dad was going to work and he was going to get materials because he's building a house for some clients, and they stopped him.
And an arrest report from Tunnel Hill tells us a similar situation happened with her father. That report says he was speeding and turned his international license over to officers, but it was not valid.
If they're here longer than 6 months, they have, or in most states, they have to get a license in that state.
Georgia Senate Bill 488 passed during 2008 and ruled that all drivers must provide a form of legal documentation in order to receive a valid driver's license, something that Arias Cristobal's attorney says wasn't possible for her.
Unfortunately, when you grow up here without papers and you enter the way she did, which was through her parents, there's no way to get papers. You can't get legal.
The Department of Homeland Security made a post on X about Arias Cristobal and her father's detainment by ICE after those separate traffic stops, saying she will return to Mexico with her family. That full statement is on our website. Kim?
Mary Beth, thank you.